Air connections. Today I will show you another method of calculating the running sum of in a visual. Okay, so the method is uh, the method. It is a new method. The method name is visual level calculation. We can do running sum, not only running sum. We can do many other things also in that visual. So let's jump into our Power BI. So in our Power BI, you can see the enrollment name and sum of revenue. These two fields are there. Okay. Let me show you the data once. The same data which I have used in my previous video. It is the same thing, and you can see this using quick measure. I created this sum of revenue running total. Okay, but now I will use another method. So in this method you need to click on these three dots, then you can see new visual calculation. Under this you can see many options. We as of now we need running sum, so I will click on running sum. So as you can see, enrollment dates, sum of revenue and running sum is there. Here you need to give the field name. Okay, you have to give the field name correctly. So here field name is sum of revenue. On top of the sum of revenue, we will calculate the running sum. So after writing this, commit it. See, correct results are coming 120, 180, 120 plus 60, 180, 180 plus 120, 300. Now back to report, and here also you can see our running sum. So like this way you can avoid the manual dex writing approach. Thank you for watching my video.